Hi guys, thanks for joining us. I have my daughters with me, Jasmine and Kaylani, and we went to Michael's and we're doing a grab bag from Michael's. And as you can see behind me now, since we're blocking it, I got 6 boxes from Michael's and they're all grab bags.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for quite a few years.
Yeah.
When I go there and I buy their grab bags, it's so much fun because you never know what you're going to get. And we're so excited. Are we excited, girls? Come here.
Yeah.
We're excited. We're excited. We don't know what we're going to get. Some things, sometimes they're good. Sometimes they're so good. But usually they were $2 a box. And then that was about a year ago. And all of a sudden they raised them to $4. But from what I used to get, $4 will definitely be worth it. So we're going to start because we have 6 boxes to open and we don't want to keep you here too long. So here we go. Let's grab the first box. Okay, girls?
Okay, yeah.
Do this one. Are we ready? So this is our first box.
Yeah,
So let's get it open.
Yeah.
Get here a little closer, baby. Can't see you. Don't know what's going to be in here. So why don't you guys take one thing out at a time and then I'll show what it is, okay? You ready? Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, this looks like, oh my, what is that? That looks so cool. I don't even know what it is. But look, oh, it's stamps.
Yeah,
And this whole box is full of these, so I've never gotten something that there's only one thing in the whole box.
Yeah.
But here it's got stamps, and it's like says, best friends, happy birthday, hi, thank you, smile, good luck. These are pretty cool. So these might be really nice for like a little party gift to give to people and stuff. But from what I can tell, this whole entire box,
yeah, look. This
I
has
don't think
rainbows
there's anything else in there. The
There's
whole box is full of these.
There's
So,
a rainbow.
oh, yours is the rainbow one, huh?
Yeah. Mine's
Yeah,
the
she got-
rainbow one.
You got rainbow. Oh, these are rainbow ones, so maybe they're different colors and stuff.
Yeah.
But most of them look like birthday. I kind of give you a peek. You can see. I would say that's worth $4. There's probably, I would say, how many's in there, you guys? Probably 40 of them, I would say. So that's our first box. Usually you get all different kinds of stuff, but that's okay. That would still definitely worth $4. I'll put it up, give it for like when we have birthday parties. They'll be great. It'll get, oops, got your toe. Come back over here, girls. Can't see you. Are you good? You ready for your next box? Let's scoot back a little bit. So, okay, let's get this box. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, put that one out of the way. This one's kind of heavy. Okay, I lost you, Kaylani. We can't see you, baby. She keeps disappearing. Okay, now we got the second box. Are we ready? Are we ready? You think it's got all the same thing again? What do you think, Kaylani? Okay.
I think this.
Oh, well, I hope. Okay, first of all, we got a big purse. It says, sip, shop, repeat. So, it's a bag, and that's interesting. Oh, look at the price on this, though. I would have never paid this for this, ever. But there's the price. Crazy. So that's $44.99. $50 for this bag. I don't think so. Oh, one thing at a time. What do you got? She found something. Come over here. You're closer. Wait, one thing at a time. Okay, this is 45 lights. So this thing, this is really cool. You like hang it across and you can put like pictures on it. And it's got little clips and then lights up so you hang it across your wall. And then just like clip photos on it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, what do we got next? It looks like we have a lot of the same thing again. And these are, what is it, guys? Oh, look how pretty. Look, can you open up one of them? And these are paper glitter stickers. So they're stickers, look, for like scrapbooks and stuff. So you kind of see some of them kind of glitter. There's different ones. That looks to me like there's a lot of these in there. So this could be another, like, you know, gift to give away for parties and stuff. I don't know. But there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
Tons and tons.
Yep. Lots and lots.
So lots of these books. And you know what? I figured there'd be a lot of Christmas stuff, and so far,
Whoa.
no Christmas stuff. So it might be other things other than Christmas. So maybe they haven't done their Christmas boxes yet, so I'll have to go back. Now this is, I really like this one. This one is more stickers, the Happy Planner.
Yeah.
And my daughter, she just became a teacher, and I bet these would be really kind of cool for her. Look,
Yeah.
they have like pencils. It says faculty meeting, early release, grades due. These are really cool. So
How do you
I
open
think that she might end up with some of these. But then they have other things too, like, you know, babies and different kinds of stuff on there. So we aren't going to show you all of them since we have 4 more boxes to open. So that's kind of what we got in this box.
Yeah.
See, and definitely I would say again, worth $4. Okay, gotta move out of the way, baby girl. Okay, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
For our next box. Come over here, okay, Lonnie, so you can help us. Okay, get closer. Come up closer. Okay. Over here, open the next box.
Yeah.
Let's see. Boy, some of these are really stuck on too. Okay, what do we get? Oh my goodness. What is this? It's a paint maker. It's make your own washable paints. You can make paints with this. And then we could paint.
I want to. I want to have.
See?
Can we
So
have this, Mommy?
that's pretty cool.
Can we have that, Mom?
So, yeah, we can play with this. And this price was $34.97. They put it on clearance for $11.99.
Yeah.
So, right there's your $4.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we got a bunch of letters. What do we got? Like wooden letters,
Green.
S, and a green letter. And what are those? Let's take just a few at a time. Those are kind of
This
cute.
one.
Yeah, that's an S. And what's that? A heart? Show them, turn around. It says hello.
Hello.
So we got a lot. Let's take the wooden piece out.
We're having this, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then come over here. Oh, that's a really cool pen.
Yeah.
This is a pen
Yeah.
color. That's really pretty. Okay, and this is like clear stamps. And more letters. We'll leave the letters in there. There's a lot of, oh, wow. Now, I totally can use these. I have a lot of kids, and there's a whole bunch of these. So, look, picture frames. So, this was definitely way worth the $4, guys. Look, I got, like, about 10 of these little picture
What's
frames.
this for? And there's
Well,
a
I don't know
number.
yet. These are their letter boards. Frames. They just say frames, so they're pretty cool.
Yeah.
I really like those. And then let's see. We had this little thing
Yeah, and
Which
we have
is-
this. So which
that says like
is-
rubber bands.
Right.
And we already showed them kind of the letters.
Yeah.
And so it's full of a lot of letters. I don't want to pull out everything. Here's a metal Z. That's kind of cool.
And here's this.
So if you're in the arts and crafts, which I am, we can do some cool stuff with that. Little flowers. Yeah, just like a ton, so we aren't going to go through any more of that, but it's basically letters. And the picture frames totally worth $4. Happy about that. And the kids are going to have fun with the paint set. So we make some paints and then you can paint. So we'll put that in the purse. Get these out of the way and get another box. So that's number 3. You're going to bring it to us, Kaylani?
Yeah.
Kaylani's going to bring us. Okay.
Yeah.
Push this one out of the way.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Thank you. That one's heavy. Oh,
Wow.
this one's really heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Here we go. I think we're excited. This is fun. But you never know what you're going to get. And I'm kind of surprised that none of it's Christmas. So they must not have done the Christmas boxes. So I'm going to town today. So I might run back by there and see if they bagged up their Christmas stuff yet. Oh, looks like more wooden ladders. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do a few at a time, okay? So we can show them. And you are not in the picture, baby. Get her right here. Okay, so we got these. These are bigger letters and you can paint them. So these are kind of cool.
Can we paint one of them?
Yeah.
Can we paint 2?
When maybe we'll do our paints and then we can paint the letters. We can
Another
make paints and make letters.
Another one.
And you know what? We might give some of these to Tashina for her classroom.
Yeah.
Let's do one thing at a time so we can tell what it is. Now, what is this one? This is a mat, a decorating mat. Okay. Okay, what's this? Now, these are like cookie cutters. So we make cookies, see?
How about cupcake?
Yeah, a cupcake one. See? Hey, you aren't in the picture no more. The cupcake ones, okay.
Can we have those? Can we have those? Can we have
Balloons.
those?
Okay, wait, I get too excited. I can't keep up with them. There's balloons, a bag of balloons, so we know who those are going to, the little girls. And this is, let me tell them, this is a 54-piece planner accessory stamp and stencil. Stencils. This is a good box. Okay, let's do this. This is Soul Basket Pots and Bases. Easy, just mix and apply. So this is really cool.
Oh, you can't see your
So
face
that
and you're not
definitely
in it.
looks good. So this is simulated soil basket pots and bases. So I guess it's got the soil in it that if you do plants, you can do your flowers.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this?
Yeah.
This is, sugar bow. I really don't know what these are, but we will figure it out. So we got those. And then what's this? This is, I think it's for like, I'm not really sure. I think this is for help making cakes and stuff. And let's do this. What are these? We have more than one of these. These are, oh my goodness. I don't believe this. My daughter is going to be so excited. So this is Teachers Have Class. And these are teachers' notebooks for teachers.
We're going to give that to
Totally
Sheena.
going to give that to Tina
We're
for
gonna give that to
her
Sheena.
classroom. I'm so excited. She'll be so excited about this. So we'll make sure she gets those. Kaylani's got, you got to do one thing at a time. You're too fast. We can't keep up with you. This is, what is this? Pocket folders. Oh, these are cool. They're like cards, but they're really cute ones.
Yeah.
Can't see those.
Yeah.
This is a really good box. So this is definitely worth $4. This is really cool. Very excited about this. This is, I think, it looks like paper and note cards and stuff.
You
So
go
those
in the
look pretty
back.
cool. Looks like some of them made it came out,
Yeah.
but that's still pretty cool.
How about this?
This is a little journal that you can put pictures in, so I'll definitely use that. I love this one. This poncho rain ponchos. Oh wow,
Mom,
there's just
I
so much
like
stuff in this one. You like that? Yeah, and sticker letters, notebook, little tablet thing.
Look
Yeah.
these.
What are these? Oh, those are so cool. These are little sticker notes.
No.
Wow, this one is like really, really cool. I really like this box.
A heart. A heart.
Some more of the cards. What you got? This is more little note things. Definitely can use all of these. These are pretty cool. More, this looks like,
Nothing.
oh, it probably fell out. That said nothing. Cards and envelopes. Those are kind of cool. More letters. Another poncho. A lot more, some more notepads. And more letters, lots of letters, lots of little notepads. I'm very excited about this. Ooh, look what I got, girls.
More balloons.
More balloons. They'll always be happy for the balloons. What is that? Well, come over here. I can't see your excitement. Show them what you find. Huh?
This.
That is,
Purse.
it's a purse. And look, it's got a little thing on it. Come over here so we can see those guys. See, this is really super cute. So I think
Mom?
since Kaylani found it, maybe we should let Kaylani have this one. What do you think?
More.
Yeah, you want the purse? There you go. Okay. And more notepads. Notepads. Lots of notepads. They're really pretty. They're pretty cool. And more, wait, whoa, hold on. More letters, stickers. Don't want to, this one took quite a while. This is,
Hey.
so there was a lot in that box. And this one is a cheese of fabric. The fabric you can do with like making, so that's cool. I'll totally play with that. So that one definitely worth $4. So let's throw it all back in here, girls. Okay. Put it all back in the box. That's pretty cool. I'm almost excited that it wasn't Christmas because there's a lot of stuff I can totally use right now and I don't have to wait till next year. So it's pretty cool. So I was kind of surprised because I figured it would all be like Christmas stuff. That's so cool. I'm very excited. Okay, next box. This is going to be a long video, sorry. There's so much good stuff. If you guys stick with me here, got 2 more boxes. I'm making a mess. Okay, girls, next box. You got it?
We got it.
You got it.
I can hold it. Okay. I can get the next box.
Okay, sit down. Woo-hoo. Okay, sit down. Let's see what we got. We get some good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I see something. I see something.
you do.
It's a skeleton. Skeleton. Open it.
A skeleton. Oh no, there's a skeleton. Maybe it's scary. What do you think, Kaylani?
Skeleton.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Halloween. I love to decorate and do stuff for Halloween. This is great, exciting. So I got some Halloween stickers. Just a couple of those. And more paint kits. So I think that we might give some of these away for birthday presents or Christmas presents. Let's put them back in the box, baby. No, let's put anyway, we got 4 of these, or 3 of these. We'll just put them back in here. And 2 of these. So this one wasn't as exciting, not as much stuff. And another soil thing for, that's okay. Okay, that one was the fast box. So I would say, yeah, I guess it's worth $4, but it wasn't as exciting. So 1 box left, and we will be done. Okay, let Sissy help you. Can Sissy get it? Okay, Lonnie, can Sissy get it?
You get the other side.
Come get it.
Baby.
It'll be kind of heavy for just one of you. Can you help?
I can't.
Oh, there you go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is our last box. It doesn't feel as heavy, so it might not have as much either. When I went there wasn't a lot of boxes left, so I got there kind of late. So I might not got the cream of the crop there, but that's okay. And about the same thing that I got out of the other box. So not as exciting, but we're definitely 2 of those. Whoops. And 3 more of the craft soil kits. That's all that's in the whole box. That's exciting, but we did get some good stuff. Totally think it was worth my time. And we got some little gifts there, probably for Christmas. Set down here, girls. Oh, and what are we going to say? Say, come again.
Come again.
Say, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.
Say, like.
Subscribe.
And share. And have a happy, happy day.
Have a happy
Bye-bye, guys.
day. Bye-bye.
See you later.